students, how are you all? Now are you free? What are you doing at your home? Okay students, you should listen my class very carefully. Okay, today I would like to start subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. How we will understand what is subject and what is predicate? How we will understand? The subject means it gives the answer of these two questions. It gives answer of these two questions. Who or what? The subject gives the answer of these two questions. Who or what? The predicate contains a verb. The predicate contains verb as well as what the subject is doing. The predicate contains verb as well as what the subject is doing. The predicate tells us about the subject. The predicate tells us about the subject. Okay. Listen. The subject gives the answer of these two questions. Who or what? The predicate contains a verb as well as what the subject is doing. And also the predicate tells us about the subject. Okay. Now let's go to the example. The monkey ate a banana. The monkey ate a banana. What we will do at first? First, we will have to select the verb. First, we go to select the verb. Listen, students. What is verb in this sentence? Obviously, ate. Here, ate is verb in the sentence. Okay. Now, we will go to ask these two questions. Who ate banana? The monkey ate a banana. Who ate a banana? The monkey ate a banana. So, the monkey is our subject. The remaining portion ate a banana is our predicate. The monkey ate a banana. First step, we go to select a verb and ask the question, who ate a banana? The monkey ate a banana. So the monkey is our subject. The remaining portion ate a banana is our predicate. Okay. Next we go to another example for you. The dog was walking loudly. The dog was barking loudly. The same principle. First we go to. First we will have to select the verb. What is the verb here? Was barking. Was barking is a verb. Okay. Now I ask these two questions. Who is barking? The dog. The dog was barking loudly. So, the dog is subject and was barking loudly is our predicate. The dog was barking loudly. The dog is subject. The remaining portion was barking loudly is our predicate. Okay students, are you clear? Okay. The subject, listen. It is not always essential that subject will come at front of the sentence. It is not essential. It may be come at middle of the sentence or end of the sentence. For example, on the top of the tree lives a sparrow. Lives a sparrow. Listen, students. It is not essential. It is not always essential that subject comes at front of the sentence. It may be front. It may be middle or end of the sentence. Okay. Listen carefully. The same principle. Okay. We will have to find the verb first. Okay. What is the verb in the sentence? On the top of the tree lives a sparrow. What is the verb here? Lives. Here lives is our verb in the sentence. Okay. Now we will ask these two questions. Okay. Who or what? Who lives a tree? Who lives on the top of the tree? A sparrow. A sparrow is our subject. A sparrow is our subject. The remaining portion on the top of the tree lives is our predicate. In the sentence, the subject comes in end of the sentence. Okay. Students, listen. This is very important for you. Okay, you should read carefully and learn. Then you can understand what is subject and what is predicate. Okay. First, identify the verb. First, we will have to select or identify the verb. Ask the question who or what before the verb. Where? Before the verb. Ask the question who or what before the verb. Answer of the question gives the subject. Okay, answer of the question gives the subject. For example, he comes very early. What is the first step? Identify the verb. Now we will have to find the verb. Here comes is our verb. Now ask the question who or what. Now I will ask the question who comes very early? He. So here he is our subject. The remaining portion is our predicate. Next, they drink milk. What is the first step? Identify the verb. What is verb in the sentence? Drink. Drink is our verb. Who drink milk? They. They drink milk. So here they is our subject. The remaining portion drink milk is our predicate. Okay, students, are you clearly understood? Okay, now we go for our homework. Okay, students, this is your homework. Identify and underline the subject and predicate. We fight for our freedom. You drank milk. He won the prize. Rajan climbed the tree. The sun sets in the east. My friend comes to my house. Rani makes very good tea. Okay, students, you should watch this video very carefully and try to do the homework. Okay, first first step, we will have to select the verb and ask the question who or what. The answer of the question gives the subject. Okay. Are you clear, students? Do the homework and send it to your WhatsApp group. Okay, students. Thank you.